class. Today we'll be learning about how ecosystems change and how land environments.
Boring.
Our objectives of the day are how ecosystems change over time, how new communities arise in areas that were bare of life, and how pioneer communities and climax communities are different.
What? Do we have any vocab words, Miss Adams?
Ecological succession, primary succession, pioneer community, secondary succession, and climax community. Does anyone know what these words mean?
Ecological succession means the process of gradual change from one community of organisms to another. Primary succession is ecological succession that begins in a place that does not have soil. Pioneer community is the first community of organisms to move to a new environment. And
Doesn't secondary succession mean that when a new community reached the final stage of ecological succession?
No, that's climax community. Secondary succession means when succession began in a place that already has soil and was the home of living organisms. Duh.
Well, Bella, then do you know how ecosystems change over time?
No.
We'll have plenty of time for those on the trip. Come on, let's go! Class, notice the huge trees growing over the trail?
It could take many years for trees to grow this large.
so it's easy to think of the forest as something that's always been here. Oh wait, Miss Adams, isn't this an example of primary succession?
Primary succession, soil begins to form as lichens and the other forces of weather and erosion help to break down rocks into smaller pieces. Another example of secondary succession.
After the fire, burned timber and blackhead soil seemed to be all that remained. However, the fire didn't destroy the seeds that were protected under the soil.
Within weeks, grasses and other plants were beginning to grow in the burned areas. Ecological succession was underway.
Many burned areas in the park opened new plots for stands of trees.
Large geographic areas that have similar climates and ecosystems.
Is this a taiga?
No, Bella, but nice try. This is not a taiga environment. A taiga environment is very cold and very snowy.
Bella, this is obviously a temperate deciduous forest because there are 4 seasons a year.
We're lucky we don't live in a desert climate because it's really dry and arid and it's uncomfortable for organisms to live.
Golf courses are good examples of grasslands because even though they're not exactly the same, they are a wide variety of grasses and are good places for living organisms to survive.
As you can see, class, it's a lot colder up here than down there because of elevation.
And this might be what a tundra looks like because it has a small grass and the moss.
Is this a taiga?
It's the eye of the tiger.
Right, many evergreen trees do grow in temperate regions of the world.
Okay, go.
We're lucky we don't live in a desert climate because it's dry and arid. Okay, so there.
It's my mom. Hello?
It's the eye of the tiger.